A robotic pool cleaner keeps your swimming pool clean without clogging the skimmer or burning out your filtration system. We researched the best robotic pool cleaners available online, evaluating effectiveness, maintenance, ease of use, and value. Our best overall pick, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner, has dual scrubbing brushes, 3 one-touch cleaning settings, and a tangle-resistant cable. There are many products available to choose best 5 robotic pool cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 5 robotic pool cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Cleaner. Our top pick, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus offers all the functionality and convenience you'd expect from a robotic pool cleaner at a mid-tier price point. This robotic cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it cleans your pool end-to-end in around 2 hours. It requires no pumps or hoses, and it features dual scrubbing brushes to help remove dirt, algae, and other debris. This robot uses smart navigation to clean the floors and walls of your swimming pool, and its tangle-free cable ensures that it won't get stuck as it works. It's easy to empty the 2 cartridge filters from the top of the machine, and it captures large and small debris. Our tester found that this pool cleaner is extremely easy to set up and start, and it picked up a noticeable amount of silt, as well as small leaves, petals, and bugs. Plus, its built-in scheduler automatically starts a cleaning cycle every day, every other day, or every 3rd day. Keep in mind that you should remove the robot after each use to empty it, and rinse the filters, and rinse off any excess chemicals. Number 2. AIPER Cordless Automatic Pool Cleaner. Many robotic pool cleaners are quite expensive, but if you don't want to spend that much, consider the AIPER Cordless Pool Cleaner. Unlike most robotic cleaners, which get power via a cord, this compact robotic cleaner runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 50 minutes of runtime per charge. All you have to do is drop the robot into your above or in-ground pool, and it navigates from wall to wall, sucking up dirt, sand, debris, and more. When the AIPER robot is done cleaning or running low on battery, it automatically stops near a pool wall, allowing you to pull it out using the included hook. The unit recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, and it can clean up to a 15x 35 feet pool on a single charge. It might not do as thorough a job as some more expensive models, but it's a great budget-friendly model for light everyday pool maintenance. Number 3. Dolphin Triton PS Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Not all robotic pool cleaners suck up leaves well, but the Dolphin Triton PS's top-loading filter basket is spacious enough to capture even the largest debris without clogging. Plus, it manages to trap fine dirt and sand particles, preventing them from escaping back into the water. This robotic cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, and it can have your pool sparkly clean in as little as 2 hours. Thanks to its powerful treads and high-speed pleated brush, this robot can scrub the floor, walls, and even the waterline, removing algae and grime. Its weekly scheduler includes 3 frequency options, and the tangle-free cable prevents the power cord from getting twisted while it works. It's easy to remove and empty the large filter basket, and the unit automatically dumps out any water when you remove it from the pool, leaving debris trapped in the filter. Number 4. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you have a large pool or just want a pool cleaner with all the bells and whistles, the Dolphin Premier is a worthwhile investment. This high-end pool cleaner is suitable for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it generally needs about 3 hours to complete a cleaning cycle. Unlike less expensive models, this robot cleans the pool's walls and waterline, ensuring every inch is free from dirt and algae. A unique 3-filter system captures all manner of debris and keeps it out of the water. 2 powerful scrubbing brushes provide a deeper clean, and smart navigation software scans the pool and creates an efficient cleaning route. The tangle-free cable prevents the unit from getting stuck, and the unit features an automatic weekly timer, LED indicator light that tells you when the filter is full, and an optional remote control. While this pool cleaner does have all of the latest technology, it's still rather heavy, so it may require an extra set of hands to pull out of your pool, especially if it finishes a cleaning cycle in the deep end. A 3-year warranty backs this pricey model, which is ideal for anyone who wants to keep their pool pristine with minimal effort. Number 5. Polaris P965iQ Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. For the ultimate pool cleaning convenience, the Polaris P965iQ is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control it right from the iAqualink app. Using your smartphone, you can start or stop the cleaner, create customized schedules, and even see when the filter needs cleaning. Plus, this high-end robot cleans even the largest in-ground pool, thanks to its 70 feet tangle-reducing cable. The 4-wheel drive helps it to clean the walls, floor, and waterline, and its rear water cleaning system blows debris off stairs and out of tight corners, so the machine can suck it up. Although this model is more expensive, innovative features like a convenient storage caddy and the patented Easy Lift removal system, which drives the robot up the wall to be easily removed, make this cleaner worth the splurge. It's even Alexa enabled, allowing you to simply ask your voice assistant to start cleaning the pool. How cool is that? That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product. Is it going to make your life much easier? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.